All right, so this is 2019 Navajo 1 Lesson 1 and levels 1 through 4 pass off. So when you do pass offs, this is for all Navajo 1 students. Pass off is to a facilitator or somebody that's a fluent Navajo speaker that can initial or somehow sign you off. And it's for lessons 1 and their statements, question and answers. And our goal is to have a record of this for all 19 lessons. Okay, so this is the lesson number 1. In this level 1, we call it entering. So if you've never had Navajo class, this would be a good one. All right, we call that Adeenáájí also, thinking. And this is the pattern that we're going to use right here. So something in there, these are all the vocabulary words. So vocabulary word will go in there. Adeenáájí, and then another vocabulary word that's opposite. Oh, well, yes, so that Adeenáájí means opposite. Ado, well, yeah, means it is call. Okay, it is call. So let's try one. Sa, which is big. Okay, big. Adeenáájí is opposite. Al-Isa is small, and Adeenáájí Al-Isa, and then it is called Wilya. So that is a statement. So that's that first part, statement. Okay, so let's keep going. Later we're going to add question and answer, but this first one we'll just learn the vocabulary. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Adeenáájí Adeenáájí Chachil Wilya. Okay, so we got that one. Next one. Ashki Adeenáájí Aded Wilya. Okay, you're just following me. You're just going to follow me. Deko Adeenáájí Yago Wilya. Okay, so Nenez is long. Nenez goes right in here. Adeenáájí Al-Isa Wilya. Al-Isa Wilya. Okay, let's go to the next one. Biya Adeenáájí Baka Wilya. Okay, the next one. Sito. We put Sito right here. Sito Adeenáájí. 4 sounds. Adeenáájí Sakaz Wilya. Okay, so that's what that is. Last one. Asole. So you put Asole right here. Asole Adeenáájí. And then Das Wilya. And that's it. You're done with level 1. Okay. And so you're just listening to that and then going ahead and passing it out to somebody. Just reading. You're just going to read. If you're in level 2, then you do this right here. Going into beginning. So the way you do that is, let's take the first one. That's the statement. Now we're going to get a question on that. That's a question. Right means big, opposite of little. It is called right. And your answer. O Adeenáájí Al-Isa Wilya. Okay, now you go to the next one. Make the statement. Adendin, okay. going across a chashkil. All right, so you put it in here. Adeenáájí chashkil. Okay. So if you don't get it the first time, you're going to be repeating it over and over and over. So that's okay. You're listening to yourself and you're listening to this clip. Adeenáájí chashkil. Yeah. Yeah. And your answer, oh, Adeenáájí chashkil. That's your answer. Yes. Yeah. Light, opposite, dark, it is called. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Ashki and ed. Okay, here we go. Ashki b'deenáájí at ed. That's the statement. Ashki b'deenáájí at ed. Yeah. That's the question. To answer it, oh, yes. Oh, Ashki b'deenáájí at ed. Okay. Let's keep going. Let's do Adeenáájí. Up and down. Dego b'deenáájí. Yago. Question. Dego b'deenáájí. Yago. Yeah. Answer. Oh, Dego b'deenáájí. Yago. Let's go to the next one. Nenez Atsisa. Nenez b'deenáájí. Atsisa. Nenez b'deenáájí. Atsisa. Yeah. You're just trying to listen and picking it up from listening. Don't worry too much about exact sound. Oh, Nenez b'deenáájí. Atsisa. Next one. Biya. Under. Below. Ka. Okay, here we go. Biya b'deenáájí. Ka. Biya b'deenáájí. Ka. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Biya b'deenáájí. Ka. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Sito. Sakaz. Sito b'deenáájí. Sakaz. Sito b'deenáájí. Sakaz. Yeah. Not asking a question. Answer. Oh. Sito b'deenáájí. Sakaz. And there you're done with level 2. Okay, now if you're ready for level 3, just keep going now. This time we're going to give you something that's a little bit off. All right, so I'm going to do something. Oh, let's go like that. Kind of like that. And let's just copy that thing. So we can have something down here to help us. Okay, so. All right, so. We call this enough, the 3rd level. Let's just go back from it. Let's put it right here. Okay, so and we're going to make this small because we're going to want to use it over and over and over. So let's make that a little smaller. Okay, so it's a little bit smaller. Okay, here we go. So now we say the same statement again. And then we put it right here. And then we want to make a question of it. So this time we choose things that are opposites. Okay, opposites. Oh, but they're not correct. Let's say we take out this word and we put in the word girl. Okay, And we know that's not right. But let's put girl in there. Okay. So let's say we made a question out of it. Nsa, okay? Nsa Adeenáájí at Ed will you? Oh, that should be it. Ed. Okay. So we're saying this is true. Nsa Adeenáájí at Ed will you? And you answer, Ntaga. No. No. It's not true. Ntaga. And this is how you say it is not. Nsa Adeenáájí do at Ed Walieta. It is not called at Ed. Okay? That's not true. And so you go ahead and find the opposite that's not right. And then you correct it. Sabdenaji Isa Walia. So you'll correct it. All right. So let's go to the next one. Adenindo charge. Yeah. So you're not gonna do that's true, but you can do the untrue. So just choose something like Adentin and maybe the word Yago. Okay. So you say Adentin Bedenaji Yago Yaya. And you go, that's not true. So you go Daga Adentin Bedenaji to Yago Yeta. Okay. And then the correct one is Adentin Bedenaji Shahil Yet. Okay. So you're corrected. So here it's a Caesar. Okay. So just do maybe, you don't have to do the whole thing. If you want to do the whole thing, that's fine. But maybe just go up to about 3. Okay. 3 of these. So say something like Ashki and Sakaz. So you'd say Ashki but then Naja Sakaz will yeah. And you know that's not true. So you say no, Ntaka. Ntaka. 3 sounds. Ashki Bedenaje, and this is your not. Do Sek Azwulieta. That's not what it's called. And then you correct it by saying Ashki Bedenaje at Ed Wulia. Got it? All right, so that's level 3. It's called developing. And for those seniors, those students that are really into this, let's do it just this little bit called Sehasin, level 4. Konseto Tien Sekaz. And what am I saying? Fire. It's supposed to be red. I'm saying fire. Seto. And you already know Seto means hot. So I'm just going to put hot. Fire is hot. That's what you're saying. And then Tien, which is ice, is cold. That's what you're saying. Okay. So Konseto Tien Sekaz. That's your statement. Now you're going to do a question. And your comparison. Or dodago tin sakaz. Is the fire or the tin cold? And then you have to answer tin sakaz. That ice is cold. Is the fire or the ice cold? And you answer by saying tin sakaz. All right. Let's go to the next one. We got about 3 more. Concept天色 as that do dago tien sedo. And you say con, you choose concept. Next one. Jigo atentin ego. Okay, what is that saying? Daytime. Okay, that's jigo. Daytime. It is light. Jigo atentin. That's a statement. Next one. Ego means night. Nighttime. It is dark. Okay. First statement. Jigo atentin ego chashkil. And then you say that ego atentin do dago chashkil. When it's nighttime, is it atentin or chashkil? And your answer is ego chashkil. When it's nighttime, it is dark. Okay, let's try the next one. Jigo. Jigo. Okay, we got some nasals. Maybe we need some nasals. Jigo. And we need Jigo right here. Okay, so here we go. Jigo. Adentin. Ego. Chashkil. That Jigo. Adentin. Do dago. Chashkil. And your answer. Jigo. Adentin. It is daytime. Daytime it is light. Okay, so that's your session. All of this is you're passing out. Level 3 for all students. Level 4 for somebody that wants to challenge themselves. Okay? All right. Thank you so much. Let's go, Pascal.